Now my reel isn't turning. What the heck is happening now? A few days later, and an inch and a half of rain later, trying the peas again. Not a lot of combining getting done. A little bit of spraying getting done, but it's been wet. Peas are wet. Not making a lot of dust out of the back of the combine. Rain has pushed the peas down even more. We adjusted the pitch of the reels to help feed better. Let's see if we can do anything. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. It's hot. It's 32 degrees. It's windy, but it's like, it's not a dry heat. It's humid, so it's not actually drying out that much. A little bit of dust here. What's our moisture? Actually, 15. Not bad. Like if it was anywhere under 18 or 20. If it's 15, 16, that's perfect actually. Sprayer track doesn't like me. Come on. That's from fungicide when it was pretty wet in here. Once you start pushing dirt, you're pretty much screwed. That's got to get off of there. So my reel's down.
I have to put the reels back to 3. I think they're coming up a bit too high.
My reels are fine. I had to tilt it up. I was pushing some dirt. It's I kind of went through a bad hollow though. It's pretty wet underneath. That's the previous pass. Not chopping very much. Just like a wet glob coming out of the back of the combine. Moisture anywhere from 14.5 to 22.5. But as the afternoon rolls along, it should dry out some more. We're getting kind of unsettled weather every day, thunder showers coming through. That's the way it was before July. July, the tap shut off. But all of May and June was like the weather we're getting now, which is not ideal for harvest time. This is going to need the harrows at a plus 35 day with a 50 mile an hour wind, or a pro till or something. Oh, I'm pushing again. It's just wet underneath. The drill will not get through that. Not a chance. Oh boy.
Have to be careful of these olives where it's so green. Have to maybe even take a little bit less of full cut if it's real green.
Okay. We'll find out. When it's wet, it pushes, and then the plants pull out of the ground. It doesn't cut it, they pull out of the ground, and then it makes a clump, and then you're hooped. Okay, these hollows are cleaned up on this side. There's 60 acres here. Got some dirt sitting on my header. Little dirt don't hurt nobody. We started this field on Friday. It is Tuesday, and we've done 60 acres. Oh man. We got 400 more acres apiece to go, and they're all like this. How much dirt on your header?
Not too bad right now. It mostly went in. I'm gonna switch my reels to the number 3.
I ate a lot of dirt too. Oh man. Have some dirt in it. It's good. Sample looks decent. Not much for green. Oh yeah, it's just mud here. Trying to avoid that. A couple bad spots on this side of the field with gopher holes and stuff. I'm pushing. Couldn't do anything with this spot right here. It's kind of on the crest of the hill on the headland where, you know, kind of the peak of the hill, and it's trying to flex over it. Just kept dragging. This is what you want. Not the S word, not the smoke word, the black pea dust covering the combine. You can't even see what color it is. That's when you know it's good and dry. Now they're drying out. 14 and a half, 45 bushels. Like, there's not actually, like, look how much plant is actually bent over. Like, if that was standing, you get that much more cut. It's all down. Yeah, there is a few pods at the very bottom we're not quite getting, but I can't go any lower. As low as it goes. Now our trucks are full. I'm getting my supper. While I'm out here, I can clean off some more dirt. Over here was almost of it went through. Sandy. My dad's taking the Western Star home, bring back the Super B. We're down a combine for a bit. We got reinforcements coming once we get full blown into harvest mode. Peas are kind of just a warm up. You know, we've only been combining for 2 hours. Once we get into the wheat and canola, then we'll have some more help on the way. Get the cart going, truck driver. Just with spraying still, trying to get that done. Yeah, peas are kind of like the warm up, kind of like the pre-game to the party. So once we get done the peas and once in full harvest mode, we'll have some more hands on deck. We haven't even really, that's how much fuel I've used. 4 bars. There he goes. I had to pull out here because I was full. 3 hours. Just about 3 hours we've been going. And when it's going good, you can actually chew off quite a bit. My max speed is 3 miles an hour. I'm going across my sprayer track, across the seed rows. And it's better going north because it's leaning a bit to the southeast. I'd be pretty active on the reels. Trying to shovel in some forkfuls of hamburger helper without all hell breaking loose here. Doing some land leveling. It's not the best for the header or combine. Now my reel isn't turning. What the heck is happening now? Just went out to clean more off the knife, more dirt. Why is the reel not turning? They can move, they don't really move because there's a hydraulic motor there. Why are they not spinning? Clean that off. Knife goes, draper goes, crossauger goes, everything goes. Reels are not spinning. Why not? Troubleshooting the FD2 MacDon header vibration, knife, nozzle knife, reels. Reel will not lift, reel will not turn. Quick couplers, I'm still coupled. Reel drive chain disconnected or broken. Yeah. From the reels, because they can kind of jam on the dirt on the knife. I'm gonna call my dad because he went to get the grain cart because we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna tell him, don't bother. Don't bother. Bring the service truck instead, maybe. Took that cover off, expecting the chain to be laying there. Well, it's not. Still hooked up to the hydraulic motor. Then we noticed that the header is actually low on hydraulic oil, so added quite a bit of oil. So those are the sight glasses there, thinking that'll be it. Still doesn't start. So now we're thinking it's gotta be that pump. And while we're doing all that, a freaking wasp stung me. Stung my thumb. It was in my shirt and it went like that and it flew out and it freaking stung my thumb. Freaking peas. So we don't know. Update. It has nothing to do with the header. For some reason we thought that the reels were driven off of this pump and maybe had something to do with the hydraulic motor. It's not the case. The reels are actually driven off the combine side. It's a pulley. John Deere was here already this morning. It's a pulley and there's a shaft that broke. So he's got that all taken apart. He's gonna get a new one, reassemble it, and bring it back out. Oh, he's got straps. Oh yeah. So that's what happened. The shaft broke, trying to start it, and nothing was turning. So this combine's down for a bit. My dad is going with the other combine. He's almost full. So we're gonna grab him. Start it up!